Everybody, thanks for joining us on Fit for Expedition today. We are going to go over to Historic Downtown Glendale. First, we're going to go eat at the Starliner Diner and then check out some shops. So come along. So we're going into the Starliner Diner, but it appears to be at a car dealership, so it may not be the right thing. I don't know. Check out the cool jukebox. That's cool. You can see the little bubbles moving through the old gas pump, fire cheap gasoline. Turn this gas pump into a little showcase. Oh. These are the side of it, right?
Better than jelly sandwich, that's nice.
It's pretty interesting. Even the bathroom walls are adorned with these old tin signs. At least I believe they're tin. So they continue the theme all the way into here. It looks like a hamburger.
Yes.
Which is appropriate for this place. Honestly, that was one of the best meals I've had in a while. I got the tuna melt. Kelly got a burger. But everything was really good. So now we are on Glendale Avenue.
We do primarily military collectibles. It's militaryitems.com.
You guys probably do a lot of your business online, right? Most of it?
All of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah, like anything these days.
Yeah, you gotta be able to find the collectors.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, it's a pretty niche market, so.
Yep. Some old medals. Pretty cool. So that's Purple Heart, right?
Yes, that is.
Who's on that?
On the medal?
Yeah.
Washington.
Look what that one is. That star on there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, there was a time when you could find a lot of this stuff really inexpensive, you know, 30 years ago.
Yeah, it's getting a lot harder to come by.
Yeah. I remember wearing that stuff to like punk shows and
Oh yeah.
you know, you know, this kind of clothes, yeah.
Yeah, you know, you used to see it at yard sales and swap meets, and it's just getting harder and harder to come by.
Yep. We could actually use some of these.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What is that? Is that like a... That's not a periscope, is it? I wonder what that is. It does, doesn't it?
Back there, did you get that like that?
Wait, what?
I don't even know what it is.
Show me.
Oh.
Keep going? Okay.
Look up.
Oh, wow. Wonder what that is. What is that?
That is a drone. It's a surveillance drone from the 1950s.
That's cool.
Yeah.
How'd you come across that?
You know, somebody came into the shop and told us he had it sitting in his backyard, and
Really?
a couple hours later we were there with a truck and loading it up.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Hey, I
It's
wonder
a
how.
little bit different than what we use today.
Yeah, definitely.
Give me one?
Oh, these are cool. I remember this. Remember these things. They had different varieties of them. They have your Thunderbird over here. Right, isn't it? Yep. That's your Thunderbird.
I mean, it's gonna be a little hard to fit in there.
That's the one you
nice.
can afford. So lots of people are driving things they can't afford. So those little miniature, these little soldiers, and cowboys and Indians too. And then here's different period soldiers and different eras. And this is why we came, is to check out all these cool old pedal cars. And over here they got some tractors, some pedal tractors. Oh, it's pretty cool. Farm All. International. Look at that one.
Yeah, something for him to know. Somebody else would do it easy.
And then of course, the old pedal tricycle. That's a place where you can put your foot on the back and push it like a scooter too. Tiny Town tip truck. Look at these old fishing lures. Those look really old. Look at that old Schwinn. That's kind of like the bike that your mom had, right?
Yeah.
That's needs to be restored.
Is that one the Schwinn?
This is a Schwinn. I don't know if
Yeah.
your mom's was a Schwinn, but I know it's like powder blue and white. Probably just needs to be waxed. It doesn't really look like it's in that bad of shape. And then some new tires. Atomic missile. Yeah, that looks kind of rare, huh? I don't know. Not that I know anything about them, but. Oh, look at that Volkswagen bus.
Radio control.
That's cool. The bus pickup. I had a friend that had a couple of those in Tucson. Wait, just the regular ones. This one looks like it's a chop top or something. But. And then there's some more pedal cars. Are these new ones? These look like they're probably new. Right?
I don't know.
Not this one. That's pretty cool. There's a bar right on the, it's kind of like right on the street. Oh. Hey, thanks for joining us here at Fit for Expedition and at fitforexpedition.com. We have a website, that's the name. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel and you like to subscribe, maybe you're new here, you haven't seen any of our videos before, but you liked it, hit the subscribe button. Also, if you want to get notifications of new videos as they come up, just ring that little bell. This is a 1 pound, little 1 pound dumbbell. Hey, and also share this with your friends if you think they'd like it. And once again, thanks for joining us at Fit for Expedition.